Listen.
The police are investigating another accusation of brutality. A 21-year-old woman charges that an off-duty officer broke her nose and the bones around her eye after a feud at a party.
I would like him stripped of his duties. I would like him charged for breaking my face.
Ashley Sunken has had plastic surgery to repair her eyes and nose since these pictures were taken on August 4th at Holy Cross Hospital. The trouble started at a party with heavy drinking on the southwest side. Sunken says the off-duty officer blamed her for a punch thrown by somebody else. She called 911 and he had her arrested for battery. She says the arresting officers told their buddy to, quote, take a free shot at her when she was handcuffed in the squad car.
He hit me so hard I slid across the backseat of the car to the passenger side. I passed out in the back of the squad car. My face was throbbing, my nose was bleeding. I felt lightheaded. I told them I needed medical attention.
Police spokeswoman Monique Bond says the officer involved has not been stripped of his police powers since the Cook County State's Attorney's Office reviewed the case and didn't find any criminal intent. Sunken's attorney wants the prosecutors to take a second look.
If you want to even assume that Ashley was legally intoxicated that evening, in no way, shape, manner, or form does that give any police officer a right to handcuff or throw in a car and beat the hell out of her.
As for the arresting officers,
I would like them stripped of their duties. They're obviously not protecting and serving anybody.
it was significant that it was a police sergeant at the hospital who saw the injuries to Sunken and called in the Office of Professional Standards with a photographer. Her attorney now plans to sue